When Midjourney stopped their free trial, I searched to get any AI art generator for free. I watched many YouTube tutorials and followed their method, but those didn't work because those were fake. After a long research, I found a unique method to get AI art generator, and this method is 100% working. In this video, I will show you how to get AI art generator without any subscription. But before we start, like this video and subscribe to this channel for such amazing AI-related videos, tips and tricks, and ways to earn with AI. First of all, you have to log out of your old account by clicking the little gear button. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Logout. After you are logged out of your old account, it is the time to make an account in Proton. Open a new tab in your browser and type in proton.me and hit enter. When you are on the Proton website, just click on Create a Free Account. Wait a few seconds. Choose a free account by clicking Get Proton for free. Now give it any username you want. I literally mean anyone that is available. I will choose bite-sized 360. And your password, I'm choosing an auto-generated password. Click on Create Account and wait for it. Here comes the best part. You have 2 ways to verify a Proton account. Email verification and reCAPTCHA. I will use reCAPTCHA, which is easy and don't need any email. Just check mark, I am human. reCAPTCHA is the best and easy way to use. Choose your display name, whatever you want. I chose mine. Click on Next. Now this is extra information. You may skip it or just give a random recovery email to proceed. I'm not giving my proper email. You can use anyone what you want. Now click on Save Selected. Wait for a few seconds, and here we go. Welcome to Proton Mail. Now just click Next and proceed to get started. Here's the interface of Proton. Now click on your account and copy the Proton Mail. Open a new tab in your browser and type in discord.com and hit enter. Now it's time to create a Discord account. For that, click Sign Up. Paste the Proton Mail in here. Give your username and password. Select your birthday. Click here and click Continue. Now you need to verify your Discord account. For that, go to Proton Mail and click on Verify Email. Open a new tab and simply search Blue Willow. Now click on Join the free beta. Click on Accept Invite. Here's the interface of Blue Willow. Choose what do you want to be notified for or skip it. Then click No for now. If you like their service, I recommend you to support them. You can subscribe at any time. Click Finish and join their server. There are plenty of rookie channels. Join one of them. They don't charge for it. If you want how to create own server, let me comment. If you like the video, like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.